If you have failed orders, you can complete all the unfilled orders with the repair option. To repair your portfolio in the Teji Mandi app, tap on the repair button and proceed to place fresh orders. Review all the unfilled orders and continue. Tap on repair orders. Review your orders and tap on repair small case. Wait for the order to be filled. Check if repair complete. If there are still unfilled orders or if you are unable to repair your portfolio, you may use the archive option to skip or cancel all the pending orders. If you have archived orders, we would suggest contacting our support team for further help.
Tap on the gift icon to refer and earn Rs 150.